Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain about the tax and the purpose of taxation. What is tax? Taxes are compulsory contributions of fund by citizens, that is both individuals as well as companies, to the government. So here everybody contributes so that everyone can benefit. Government provides various public services like free education, road facilities, hospital facilities, salaries for government employees and police force, and free basic services like house, electricity, water. As a public, we doesn't directly pay to these services, and instead indirectly in the form of taxes we pay to the government, and then the government spends money on these services. So, do you all enjoy good quality public services? Of course, yes, we all do. So, more tax we pay, that is, the better public services we get. Tax is the amount of tax levied or collected, whereas taxation is the process of tax collection. As a citizen, we enjoy certain rights or privileges such as right to vote, right to freedom. And since we enjoy these privileges, we also supposed to abide by certain duties, and one of the duty is to pay tax. People do not like to pay taxes, but nevertheless people expect government to provide better quality goods and services. Someone who enjoys privileges on the one side but doesn't pay taxes, he is referred to as free rider. There are some people who say, no, we neither do not want privileges nor we do not want to pay taxes. These people are considered to be exiting taxation system. Whenever these people feel that their taxes or contributions are not being used appropriately or being misused, they simply exit taxation system. This results in increasing number of free riders. Number of people exiting taxation will also increase. So, to increase the tax revenues or tax collections, the government has to ensure that there is transparency in the system, which will provide the information to the taxpayers that their tax contributions are used effectively. Why do we need to pay taxes? So, the main purpose of paying tax is to stabilize the economy and to protect the citizens. Tax is the most important source of the revenue of the government. Here we see more than one third of the money that is collected by the government in the form of income basically comes from income tax or corporate tax. Next purpose is to redistribute wealth from the rich to the poor. For example, if we take X earns 10 lakhs per annum and Y earns 2 lakhs per annum. X pays tax to the government, in which government gives free education and health services. Y, who earns 2 lakhs, pays no tax to the government, but he utilizes education and health services. And the next important function is to promote savings and investment. Section 80C of Income Tax Act 1961 deals with deduction. Government of India provides certain exemptions in the form of investments to public provident fund account. Government says that if we make investment up to 1.5 lakh rupees in public provident fund account, we can use it as a deductions. Take for example, if X earns 8 lakhs rupees per annum, then he gives 1.5 lakhs to public provident fund, then he have to pay tax only 6.5 lakh per annum. So these are the purpose of taxation. Every citizen must consider it as his sacred duty to pay taxes. Thank you for watching, guys.